videos up, back, flip, flop, all over the shop. Selling Cecil and Ruby. And I had Tom come take some family photos of Ruby and the family, and me and Ryder on Cecil. Then I had Sean, another good mate that does some epic work for Street Machine. He come and did a shoot on Cecil. All these photos I'll post up. No one really knows that we've sold anything until this video comes out. So if you're watching this, congratulations. Massive decision for both of us to sell our cars. Emotional. Why are you crying over a car, you big sore? I don't know. No idea. A lot of memories. They become a member of your family, I guess. So a lot of good times, a lot of good people I've met over the journey with all my cars, not just Cecil or Ruby. So yeah, move on to the next thing. We're trying to buy a house, not rent anymore, get our own bloody awesome shed. So yeah, I'm not a drug dealer that owns a wicked house and all these cool cars. I'm going to sell all these cool cars to buy a house, and then I'll start drug dealing. Joking. But look, still got Patsy. Could always whack a Harriet blower on that eventually. 9-inch. Make it 11-second drag car. Family dragster. Always got the drift car. She's due for a birthday. I really want to do this unveil, new colour code, all that sort of stuff. It's all drawn up, ready to go. Got the design done. Got the stickers even made up. So let us know if you think you know what the colour combo is. And I know a few people will post it up because you know it. And if you post it up, you're a dick and don't do it. You won't. Don't do it. So we'll see how this video goes. Could be a bit choppy, changey, whatever. But a bit of an emotion. Nearly broke down then. Over a car. Stupid. Today, we say goodbye to two of our family members. Ruby and Cecil. We've had Ruby for 8 years. It's the longest car Tanya's had, or the longest car we've had in the family. So Ruby's moving on to Johan and his family. Got the drift car, and of course we've still got Patsy. So she's got to get probably a blower or something one day. We're going to finish the engineers. So yeah, having a bit of a goodbye family photo shoot today. Thanks to the boys who have helped us out with all that. Love you guys. Yeah, going to be a bit different not seeing those two girls, or girls and boys, out the back. Whew, emotional. All right, let's get her out. Ready for Johan to pick her up. Jumping in? Yeah. Hurry up. See if she starts first go. Oh, amazing. Too easy. All right, we've got Johan, the new owner, with the family, and we've just done all the cash and all that sort of stuff. Family saying goodbye, and we'll look forward to seeing it next time.
Take care of it.
Thank you so much.
That's all right.
Easy transaction. I mean, videoed again. Oh.
You're being videoed. So the lights are on the left.
Oh yeah, just show me. So this one.
Yep.
This is the light.
That's the lights, and that's the wipers.
The wipers. This one and the other.
That's the ashtray.
That's the horn.
Oh,
Horn. Yep.
It's still videoing.
He edits it.
If I can get the.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's all a bit
There she goes. about the third time she's been driven in the dark. No worries. Enjoy. See you, mate. Because we're selling Ruby, we've gone through the books and stuff and realised we probably would have known when we first got it 8 years ago that it had all this, but we haven't seen it for a long time. All the service history. This old girl was looked after very well. 14th of the 8th, 65, 6 miles, jeepers. What else we got? 302 miles, skip to the end. 29,928 miles. Then we go into maintenance cards. 4th of the 1st, 1971, 60,000 miles. What's this one? Can't see the miles on that one, I'm blind. What's this one? 29,000 miles. Goddamn, regularly serviced. Gonna miss this little old girl. Tanya's getting emotional. Look at that, $3.08. It's more like $380 for a service these days. $3, $3.90. Petrol and oils, $1.05. $3.80 total. It's out of control, isn't it? $5.63. Jesus. Speedo cable. Speedo cable. Whew. Big time. There you go. There's a little bit of history on Ruby. 8 years Tan's owned her for. Think of the big picture. We're going to be living in a house and not have 25 cars everywhere. Alright. Might be the last time I drive it if I don't pick the kids up tomorrow from school. So we'll see if... I know Ryder wants to come for a ride. See if the kids want to come. The rest of the kids.
I can't see him.
This could be your last ride in Cecil, buddy. You going to miss him? Yeah. So will Dad.
Well, I think that one's better than
Ready for your last ride in Cecil, possibly?
Yes!
Jesus, don't be excited. Well, there you go. Didn't really film the drive because I was pretty emotional. I didn't cry. I'll probably cry when this gets picked up. So, yeah, big part of my life. Was a awesome buy when I found it. So, made a good profit on it. On to the next project. I do have something lined up, whether I'm going to get it or not. We'll see what happens. And that's due for a colour change, so stay tuned on that one. Well, this deserves a can, because it's a can moment. Potentially that was the last drive of Cecil for me and the fam. Cheers to everyone. You know what it's like having a cool car, blood, sweat and tears, money, your mates. Met a lot of cool dudes just through the XRXT Falcon Club and all that sort of, all the Facebook pages. Met so many people out cruising. The thumbs up that you get in this weapon is amazing. So, well, look at it. Don't really want to sell it, but that's our house right there. Yeah, buddy. Shit times. Here's to the tears. Cheers to the tears, even. Last time I'll cover her, maybe. Last time I'll pick the boy up from daycare in Cecil, his favourite. See his last reaction.
Where is the car?
Which car?
Where is the car?
I bought Patsy.
David, you weren't Cecil.
What?
I
This might be your last ride in Cecil.
had it yesterday as well.
Hey?
Yesterday as
Oh,
well.
yesterday. I thought I'd pick you up from daycare last time. Boom, boom. Last time shutting the door, go. Oh, bang, muscles. Say bye, Cecil.
Bye.
Love you.
Never see you again.
Never see you again. Oh. Good luck. Whoever gets it.
It really looks cool.
Really does look cool. You gonna miss him?
Have you sold it? Have you sold it yet?
Yeah.
When?
The other day.
What?
The other day. Well, I made the call. Time to clean it out. Go through all your memories. Pete's funeral. Various car shows. Oh, cleaning mitts. All my Club Reg books. 39. Not bad. 29. Oh. Going up or down by 10s. Plenty of stubby holders. Can't imagine why. Like, Jesus Christ. There's a few in there. Jupers, another one. I've only got one hand. Collect the whole set. Festive season. Burn that. But I like the XY on it. Go pen right there. What else we got? Probably another stubby holder in here. Corey Worthington Sunnies. No more family cruises in Cecil. So here's a little history for you on Cecil. She used to be on NOS and run 10s on the bottle. And that's where she used to be mounted. Had a cranky motor, which the guy I bought it off still got. Cool little thing that no one really knew about Cess. There you go. End of an era with Cecil. Plates removed. New owner coming to pick it up tomorrow. And I'll probably film it driving off. And you'll probably see me crying because I love this car. Oh well. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Sometimes we've got to sell the things we love for the people we love. Start turning.
Hold up.
He's literally the third person to ever drive it. Oh, Jesus. And just like that, that is the story of Cecil and Mackie and the family and all that. I did bawl my eyes out, so I'll put that in at the end there just to show that I'm not afraid to show me emotions. But yeah, looking forward to seeing where it goes and what it does. I really like it to go interstate. That'd be good. That way I don't see it at local car shows because everyone will be like, oh, isn't that your old car? Yeah, about that. Sold it. But whew, fucking emotional. Big time. I wasn't going to lose it, and then Tanya bloody was bawling her eyes out. Couldn't I have a better bloody circumstance of driving off into the sunset? Like, except for that little Prius Toyota thingy. Shit house, but thanks for watching. Even though I cry my eyes out, whatever. That's me. That's who I am. Big sook. Love yous. Bye. How fitting is that? Driving off into the sunset. Love that car. Whew. Next chapter. In here, sitting in the shed with a big gap. Been saving these for special occasions. Here's a sad occasion. Goodbye, Cecil. Till next time. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. You better, because I always say you won't. Love yous. Peace out.